Welcome, here I've got OPPO A53 and I'm gonna show you how to change volume button function in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. The volume buttons at this device are here, so let me try to tap on this now to see how it works with the camera. And as you can see, by using them I can easily take a picture now. To change its function, let's go to the right corner and tap on this button, so we get access to 3 other buttons we can manage. Now let's pick this one from the right, and here we can open the advanced camera settings. At the first place we have the volume button function, so when we tap on it we can change it from volume to shutter, which is now, or zoom. Now let me pick zoom to show you how it works different, and let's go back to the camera now. And let me try to use these buttons once again. And as you can see, I can easily get closer to my subject and also go back by using the volume keys here, so now I can manage the zoom. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.